Okay, what's up guys? Ronsas TV here. Another day, another Hot Wheels to unbox. So for today's video, we're going to unbox this Hot Wheels Premium Lamborghini Revuelto. This is a 1:43 scale. Ayan. 2023 guys, Lamborghini Revuelto. And this is one of my newest collection that I bought from a toy store here in Ireland. Ayan. So, let's open this, guys. So, may mga tapes lang to dito. Maganda yung packaging niya. And easy to open. Hindi mo kailangan sirain yung packaging. Ayan. So, it's just like 4 or 3 tapes there sa the side. Yung tape niya, hindi yung talagang ordinary na tape, ha. This tape, guys, will not leave a mark diyan sa kanyang packaging. O tingnan niyo naman. Smooth na smooth yung pagkakahatak dun sa tape. Okay, so last one na tong tape na to, guys. Ayan, open na natin. Medyo lang pero ayan, very good. Okay na. So we're going to unbox na ito. Uy, can't wait. Ang kinis ng niya. Sa labas pa lang, makikita mo. Parang gusto mo nang kainin yung kanyang mga paint job. Okay, so here it is. The Lamborghini Revuelto from Hot Wheels. Premium to, guys. So medyo malaki to, guys, sa mga ordinaryong Hot Wheels. This is 1:43 scale. Ayan, ang kinis, guys. So, Lambo orange ang kanyang color. Look at that. With the details and the wheels. Oh my goodness. Ang ganda, guys. Ayan, pati yung likod. Oh, ayan, dayang double exhaust sa taillight. Yun, yung gilid. I don't know, because hindi kasi na-open yung door na ito, guys. I thought na-open yung door na. Pero hindi na-open yung door. It's just like fix die-cast metal tong Lamborghini. Pero ang kinis, guys. Even yung kanyang salamin niya. And the engine detail. Look at the engine detail, guys. So, may nakalagay pa ng Lamborghini doon. Ayan yung sa kanyang taillight. Okay, ang ganda. Pati yung kanyang wheels, Lambong-Lambo. Oh. Ang ganda guys. Tuwan-tuwa ako dito sa size na to kasi hindi siya maliit kagaya ng ordinary na 1:64. This is 1:43 scale ng Hot Wheels. So it's premium, guys. Ayan, apakaganda. Oh, look at that. So, amazing. So, Lamborghini orange ang kanyang color, paint job, makinis, and medyo mabigat din siya, guys. Maganda yung weight niya. Hindi siya talagang hindi mo makikita na cheap. Talagang quality. Original Hot Wheels to, guys. Original Hot Wheels. And if you want to find some of this, you can visit Smith's Superstore if you're here in Ireland. And kung outside Ireland naman kayo, siguro marami dyan sa inyong lugar. Hanapin nyo lang yung mga toy stores dyan. And you can purchase this kind of toys or Hot Wheels if you're a collector. Ayan, isang maganda to, guys. So, if you are a collector, guys, ito ay isang magandang addition to your collection. Ayan, ang 360 degrees na ikot ng ating Lamborghini Revuelto 2023 Hot Wheels. Okay, bye!